Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I'm just trying to save this Passat 2009 Passat R line that have been left to die more or less. So we're trying to get into it. That's a problem. So I have the keys, everything, but I can't open the door. I've done the process of taking off this locker, and I open it with a key. It can't go up. Someone say you should hit it hard under here, then it can open. No, still is locked. Use this. Yeah, the big problem here now is no battery in the car, so we have to try to see if we can get in the front. And to get in the front, if I can't go in the car, I'm supposed to go in here, tap away some part up here, and that is supposed to open something so I can get into here. But my problem, when I try to do that, I can't see nothing that's helping me. So now I'll try to take this camera with me and get into it. Yeah, I was trying to get up there to get the wire, but I can't get the wire. So right before I just have to give up and get someone to help me. This is just hopeless. I found some movable parts up there. Just try to put on the glove again. No, just can't get it up, and don't understand, because on the other videos I've seen on the net, I get in here and I can push down the wire. For me, it's absolutely no wire to push down here. If that's because the wire is missing or what, I don't know. And here I've been off with it, I locked it up, I can't, the door handle is not working. Try to beat it here like I found on some video, it doesn't help. So I'm completely locked out of the shit. So I need some other way to get into it. If I get in power, the central locking was supposed to be working, so I could get in all the parts of the car. No, I don't get anywhere. So it's kind of hopeless. But if you have some ideas, please help me. Send me some explanation how to do this. Thank you. Please subscribe. Please come back.